Hello students. Actually we will discuss one topic called off-board diagram. Actually when you have a very large atomic number like very big, like more than 50, then it is very difficult to write the configuration spontaneously. So it is better to use this is called off-board diagram. How do you draw off-board diagram? You first take a ruled copy, then you write 1s, leave one space 2s, leave one space 3s, leave one space 4s, then leave one space 5s, then leave one line 6s, leave one line 7s. Then between 2s and 3s there was a line, you write 2p over here, then leave the next line 3p, leave the next line 4p, leave the next line 5p, leave the next line 6p. Now between 3p and 4p there is a line, so over here you write 3d, then leave the next line 4d, leave the next line 5d. Then between 4d and 5d there is a line, here you write 4f. Now according to off-board diagram, you take your pen, hold it at 1s, then you draw one curve like this, put an arrow. So after 1s, next 2s, then you continue like this, so next 2p, then 3s, then you again go behind like this, so next 3p, then 4s, then after that again you go behind like this, 3d, 4p, 5s, again you go behind 4d, 5p, 6s, again you go behind 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s. So this off-board diagram is a ready reckoner for writing electronic configuration of very high atomic numbers. Now let us have a look at the last homework 3.30 part 3. So it is 1s2, 2s2. By the way, the last 3 orbitals will be 6s2, 4f7, 5d1, right? Now let us see our off-board diagram. 6s2, 4f7, 5d1. So we'll have to follow this pattern: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, right? Now let us see how it looks. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f7, 5d1. Now the last shell is 6, so period is 6. Now it is 4f7 and then it is 5d1. Now you have to understand one thing, that the last electron is entering F. How do I know that? Because 5d1 is the first element of D block period 6, correct? In period 6 the first element of D block is 1 with 5d1, and after that the F block starts, and in F block the number of electrons is 7. So that means this is an F block element, and if you are asked what is the group, you have to say it is between group and 3 and 4, because you know all the F block elements are sandwiched between group 3 and 4. So the answer of 3.30 part 3, period 6, group 3 to 4 and F block.